Looking for an easy way to convert offline restaurant data into an interactive online map? With MAPOG, you can build a fully interactive store mapper without writing code or using complex GIS software. First, go to story.mapog.com and open the Create and Publish Maps module. Then, click Create New Map, select with Template, and choose a suitable template, such as Store Mapper. Templates help you get started quickly with layouts designed for business and location-based maps. Next, add a map title and an optional description, click Create Map, and open Map Settings to upload a cover image or logo. This gives your map a professional identity and makes it instantly recognizable to users. After that, click the Add Location button and choose Upload CSV. Then, open Business Location Template Settings and click New Type to create a reusable custom location template. Enter a type name, choose a color, and select Point as the geometry type for individual location pins. Next, add custom attributes such as restaurant name with a text field and cuisine with a drop-down field. Enable contributor access if needed, and add options such as cafe, fast food, seafood, and more. You can also create fields for images and website links. Once finished, click Create Type. These custom attributes help you organize business information and make the map more informative for users. Now, select the newly created business location type from the drop-down menu and browse to upload your existing spreadsheet. Next, choose a unique ID column or allow it to generate IDs automatically if your spreadsheet does not contain one. Then, match all map attributes with the spreadsheet columns and assign the latitude and longitude fields correctly. Finally, click Submit. The platform automatically plots all restaurant locations on the map, saving time and eliminating manual pin placement. Next, click the pencil icon beside any location and select Edit Business Location Details. Here, you can add or update descriptions, opening hours, and photos to provide visitors with richer information. Detailed profiles improve customer engagement and help users make informed decisions. Afterward, click the three dots beside the map layer and choose Add Layer Style. Select Category, choose an attribute such as cuisine or status, and assign different icons and colors for each category. Then, save and confirm the layer style and enable Show Legends. Categorized styling makes the map easier to understand and helps users identify restaurants visually. Next, open Label Feature Settings and choose an attribute such as restaurant name to display as map labels. Then, customize the font style, size, and color before saving the labels. After that, click the Display Properties Settings icon and select the fields you want to showcase beside each location, such as ratings, cuisine type, or operating hours. This ensures users see the most relevant information at a glance. You can also improve map exploration by clicking the Filter button and filtering restaurants based on attributes such as cuisine, amenities, rating, or seating capacity. Furthermore, sort locations by live location or search for a specific place to instantly arrange restaurants by distance. These tools help customers quickly find options that match their preferences. Finally, go to Map Settings and use the Action button to add website links and phone numbers directly to the map interface. Then, open the Share and Publish section and choose Private Map if you want to share the map only with selected users and assigned roles. Alternatively, switch the map type to Public to share it through a link or embed it on your website. Whether you are building a restaurant directory, franchise, locator, cafe guide, or food discovery platform, MAPOG helps you transform spreadsheet data into an interactive map that is easy to explore, customize, and share. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, analyzing maps, creating maps, or GIS consultancy, you can write to us at support@theratemapog.com anytime.